Okay, so we are discussing about the planning in India. Okay, so why planning is important? The country is totally depending upon the economy and the government. The way government plays an important role here, they give more pressure on human welfare. Human welfare. So human welfare will start with what the planning. So we have Planning Commission in India established in 1950. So government, that is the Planning Commission, chairman will always be a prime minister. Chairman will always be a prime minister. Now they have changed. There is no Planning Commission. There is
No planning.
Government of India after 2020 14 election, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, they changed Planning Commission to Niti Aayog. What?
Niti Aayog.
Yeah. Still, he is the Prime Minister, is the chairman, that is the president of the committee. So there are different changes, but through which we have implemented 5-year plans. 1951 to 56, 56 to 61, 61 to 66, again 66, 67, 67, 68, 68, 69, 69 to 74, 74, 79, 79, 84, 89, 84, 89. Like that, we have gone through up to 2011 or 2014. We started that. Abele government changed. So these plans are for what? For example, your exam is there. I told you that your exam is there. You have to plan something. So after upcoming 5 months, what should do? Okay, my mathematics is not good. My science is not good. So you have to plan accordingly. Same like India, same like a country. What to do? Okay, unemployment is there. Yen madakagalla. Yen madbeku. Jobs could be. So foreign direct investment. Foreign companies will come. They will establish business like a Bangalore. Okay, if business will come, industries will come, people will get job. People will get job. They will earn money. If they will earn money, they will come to market. ये करेंगे, मुझे ये चाहिए, वाला ये फायदे करके, I want Papa, I want this. Okay, no problem, because I am earning money. So my family will stable family, development of society, good bank balance, good saving, good investment, strong government, strong economy. Right? This is nothing but the cycle. This is nothing but the connection. So young Vishweshwaraya is from South India, from Namma Bangalore. So he is considered as the father of modern planning in India. Okay, he wrote the book. Which book he wrote? Published Plan Economy for India, not Plan Economy of India. Plan Economy for India. After independence, the Prime Minister as the chairman established the Planning Commission in India, and the main objective of the commission to precisely estimate the natural and human resources and capital in the country. So natural resources, Naisargik Samsadhana, for example, coal mine, gold mine, KGF. Okay, all resources are there, rivers are there, forest is there, wood cutting, sandalwood, everything is there. So natural resources, population, how to manage everything. So okay, we have a coal field, we have extraction of coal. Coal used for what? Useful for what? Electricity generation. So coal is also useful for what? Many purposes. Many metals are there. Many metals will Tata and Steel and Iron Company. They will make vehicles, vehicle part. Electronics companies are more in Bangalore. It is attached with the Hosur. This is actually electronic build. So they will produce more and more technical products. Are you getting each and everything? Wherever you go, central, North India, north part of India, fertile soil, they will produce agriculture, like crops, different crops. In Karnataka, central part of Karnataka, ragi, jowar, bajra. So everywhere you go, natural resources are there. So they are what? They are trying to manage. S2 resources are there. How much resources are there? How many people are there? How to manage that? And green revolution. People are increasing. What to do? Agriculture is less. So they inaugurated HYV seeds. What? HYV. High variety yielding seeds. Means one seed was giving only 1 kg. Old seeds. Now they introduced new seed. One seed they were giving 100 kg. Because to support population. This is different thing. We'll see. Now we'll see 5-year plans. So I told you there are different 5-year plans started from 1951. 51 to 56, 56 to 61, 61 to 66. But I made 1 year. Why? 5 years. Plans are only 5 years. Plans are only 5 years. But Amele in 1966 what happened? 66, 67, 67, 68.
Government change.
67, not government only, but thing is that our Lal Bahadur Shastri, Matte Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, they died. After that, LBS came. LBS also suddenly died as a prime minister. Well, after that, many small governments formed, but India-Pakistan war happened in 1965. Before that, 1962 Indo-China war. Because of that, Indian economy collapsed. So we had no money, we had no time to think about the 5 years. Then we thought, okay, just one more year plan. Amele in 1969, Indira Gandhi came, she started doing. So see, it is not the problem of Congress, BJP or not. It is the problem of the person. She also started giving more pressure and good policies she implemented. But 1971 she fought a wrong election. She caught and Allahabad court gave that judgment that she won the election illegally. And before police will catch or the action will come, she declared national emergency. She was catching everyone. She declared national emergency. Anybody. That is the national emergency. Emergency andre, you cannot move out, you cannot speak against the government. If you speak against the government, the police will come, they will catch you. She started doing all those things. Then her Sarkar collapsed. Then new Sarkar came, first time. Morarji Desai. Non-Congress government, 1977. Which?
Morarji Desai.
But after 3 years again that government fell. And again, 80 she again won by margin because she was a strong lady, iron lady. And in 1984, unfortunately, she was assassinated. Hatya. Before that, after that also 1992, her son Rajiv Gandhi was killed. Okay, in Sri Lanka, Tamil Nadu.
Sir, plane crash. Rajiv.
Shooting. Sanjay Gandhi, I think so, plane crash. Sanjay Gandhi, good. India's first five-year plan came to effect on 1st April 1951. So the 12th five-year plan has been implemented in the year 2025. Niti Aayog has been established in the place of National Planning Commission, as I told you. Which Aayog?
National
Niti Aayog. Okay, Niti Aayog. Earlier, Planning Commission. Now, the government has implemented each 5 plans with certain specific objectives. These objectives set goals of the respective plan. Poverty is one of the major problems in Indian economic system. Unfortunately, I am directly telling you, Garibi Hatao. Eradication of poverty was this plan was implemented by Congress government in 1980. See, 1980, 1990, 2000, 2010, 2020, almost 50 ವರ್ಷ. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ?
50 years.
50 years. Still poor are there. I'm sorry, I'm not blaming any government. It's not good, no? Just you are saying, Garibi Hatao, we will eradicate all the poor, we will give. Not money, you should not give money. Nowadays, all government, what they are doing? Money. In Maharashtra, 1,500 rupees per woman, Ladki Bahin Yojana. Every woman in the family, they are getting 1,500 rupees. Suppose I have 5 sisters.